What is the Python keyword with used for? What is the Python keyword with used for? Example from this URL.
In Python, the with keyword is used when working with unmanaged resources, like file streams. It is similar to the using statement in VB.NET and C#. It allows you to ensure that a resource is cleaned up when the code that uses it finishes running, even if exceptions are thrown. It provides syntactic sugar for try/finally blocks. From Python docs. The with statement clarifies code that previously would use try/finally blocks to ensure that cleanup code is executed. The with statement is a control flow structure whose basic structure is: the expression is evaluated, and it should result in an object that supports the context management protocol, that is, has _enter_ and _exit_ methods. Update fixed VB callout per Scott Wisniewski's comment. I was indeed confusing with using.
Explanation from the Pressing on Programming blog. It's handy when you have two related operations which you'd like to execute as a pair or more, with a block of code in between. The class's example is opening a file, manipulating the file, then closing it. The above with statement will automatically close the file after a nested block of code. Continue reading to see exactly how the close occurs. The advantage of using a with statement is that it is guaranteed to close the file no matter how the nested block exits. If an exception occurs before the end of the block, it will close that file before the exception is caught by an outer exception handler. If the nested block were to contain a return statement, or a continue or break statement, the with statement would automatically close the file in those cases, too.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.